Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get a Snapchat cartoon filter. So basically cartoon filter is like this. You can, make your face like a bit of cartoony, like you can see it in my screen. This is what the filter really does. So if you guys also want this filter, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and it helps our channel to grow as well, and you guys will be able to watch videos like this. So be sure to do that, and yeah, watch this video until the end if you guys want to get a cartoon filter in Snapchat as well. So let's start the video. So first, let me close my Snapchat. So if you guys also want cartoon filter, then follow these steps. Open Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, you can click on this icon over here. Once you click on this icon, go to explore at the bottom over here. Click on explore. Once you're in explore, go to your search bar at the top and then type cartoon. After typing this, the filter should be shown over here at the top. Now you can choose this or this, like both of them does the same trick, but I'm going to choose this one over here. So you can click on this. Basically you have a cartoon filter. Now you can click a photo or shoot a video, and the photo and the video will come out just like the picture I showed you in the beginning. So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.